hair looks right now. I think it looks super cute. What's up, you guys? So my girl Najee is about to install this ISEE hair into my head. It's 20-inch Burmese curly highlighted hair. And y'all, this hair did not disappoint. I mean, it's such good quality. It's super lightweight, and it was great for vacation hair. I'm not gonna lie. In the front, we used my real hair to do miracle knots with the crochet hair, and that was such a great method because it just looks so seamless. It was really easy for Najee to do. She told me like this was one of the easiest installs she's done in a long time. Then she went ahead and she cornrowed the back of my hair so that we could just crochet the rest of the hair to give it that like Fulani vacation hair look. And y'all, it came out so cute. Like I really, really thoroughly loved it. Next, she's going to show you guys how you crochet the hair into the cornrows. And y'all, it's such an easy method. I mean, literally look at it. You just grab the needle, you slip the hair through the braid, and then pull it to make sure it tightens. And that's, y'all, not one of these crochet pieces fell out of my hair during vacation. I went swimming, I went to Universal, I went everywhere. And y'all know I had a million kids with me. And so this hairstyle was quite literally perfect because not only is the hair lightweight, but like I said, it was super easy to install. Y'all, it did not take her long at all to do this. She did my hair the night before vacation. She also did Journey's hair the same night. So yeah, it took her no time and it came out beautiful. This is me the next day before we got on the road. And y'all are about to see me throughout the vacation. Hey, what's up, you guys? So it's day one of vacation and I've got my hair done with this crochet hair from ISEE Hair. Y'all, perfect for my vacation hair. I absolutely love it. I think it looks amazing. Najee did a great job. It's super cute. The color had to grow on me because I'm not a big color girl anymore. As y'all know, like I don't like doing a lot of color. But the packaging is so cute, as y'all can see. But I'm going to show you guys different styles that I do throughout the week. So this is day one of my hairstyle. Super cute. I put it up in a claw clip. So I have miracle knots in the front and then crochet in the back. So cute. I'm going to show you guys how Najee did it. But this is day one. And then we'll continue, you know, on the days. But yeah, day one, we're going to dinner. It's cutesy fun day. So yeah. But I'll be back to y'all later. Tell me what y'all think. I think this is so cute. All right. Day 2 in Orlando. And today we're going to the pool. This is how my hair looks right now. I think it looks super cute. But we're going to do a quick little style because I don't want to get it like all wet and messed up and I have to wash it and whatnot. So we're going to do something really cute, really fast. But as y'all can see, my hair looks really cute. Like, I really like this. I think it looks honestly like this. We're eating right now, period. But I lost my voice, so excuse my voice. I'm thinking about doing like a low bun or something because I don't want my hair to get wet. And I don't want to like be worried about it.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, Mira. Goodbye. I'm trying to... Thank you. But I think I'm going to make a bun one more time. It's just like... Yeah, I don't want to get my hair wet. So I'm trying to think of the best solution. Let's see. Does somebody have another hair tie? I'm going to have to like... This made my hair hurt. Must be using too much force to do it. Curls. So this is what we're giving right now. I think this is cute. It's a cute little bun for the pool. This is just to show you guys how versatile this hair is. Like I told y'all, ISEE Hair. So cute. Like, this was the perfect day for vacation. At first, like I told y'all, I was really, really iffy about like if I was gonna really like the color and stuff like that because of my skin tone. I didn't want to wash me out. But I think it actually looks really cute and I'm really, really psyched. Like, I'm super excited. So yeah. But we're about to go have a full day, so I'll see y'all later for day 3. Our last day, which is universal. So, bye. Good morning. Well, it's good morning for me, but hi guys. So this is day 3. This is my universal OOTD. Definitely from my Shein store. You know, both shirt and pants. This is how I did my hair today. I did a half up, half down. And I left some braids out in the front because I thought it gave it like a, I don't know, a cuter look. But this is another hairstyle that I did. Not really wearing too much makeup. I just did some mascara and a little minimal coverage on my dark mark on this side and this side. With some lip gloss because it's going to be way too hot to be, you know, doing a whole full face at Universal. So, yeah, but this is the look. Y'all, I love my hair. I'm going to show y'all it all together in the front. I think it looks so cute, so fun, very vacation-esque. Like, it's giving vacation for sure. I really like it a lot. Tell me what y'all think. I'm like, where's my other brown pieces? But yeah. This hair is so versatile. This curly, it's 20-inch Burmese crochet. Crochet with miracle knots in the front. Super, super cute. Like, I just really, really enjoy it. This is all my real hair, by the way. So all this is my real hair. The braids are my real hair. Just a miracle knot to the front of the hair. And then I got crochet all throughout the back. So cute, so versatile, so fun. Yeah, super fun. But yeah, I just want to show you guys my hair for Universal, and this is our 3rd day. Tomorrow we leave. So yeah, that is it. That is all. See you later.